careful after you shoot.
What's up? My first shooter was LaGreca, my second shooter was Cameron.
Go ahead, go.
Alright, here, hold on.
Can you tell where my shots were going? There was like so many shots going there, I didn't know, like...
Yeah, you all. You're 50.
I got it.
Or you can see a...
I'd hate to get shot with that son of a bitch.
Come back, I'm going to give you battery release. I'm going to give you a ceasefire, and the next person step up.
Don't pay attention to the tracers.
I can see anything.
Right behind you. You say this is a target, you're sitting like where that fuck is. Go on.
Drop it down to like 15.
Because we're at 15, you're supposed to be 9.
Quit.